Hi, if you are looking to furnish a guest bedroom, watch this video till the end. So, typically, when you furnish a guest bedroom, uh, this is how you furnish it, right? You have a traditional bed, you have your wardrobes, and you have some desks and all that. So, what happens when you use a traditional bed is that it occupies almost 60-70% of your guest bedroom, and the whole space is lost forever. You can't reclaim the space, you can't do much with that space. But when you think about it, your guest, you come like maybe 15 to 30 days in a year. And throughout that 11 months period, the bed is occupying all the space and you are not able to utilize that space how you want to utilize that space. So today I'm going to talk about the importance of having a multifunctional furniture in your guest bedroom so that you can convert that space into a multi-purpose room where you can easily work from home, or your kids will have a nice play area, or you can convert that into a living room where you can add a TV and you can watch all your favorite shows at the privacy of your bedroom, instead of getting disturbed in your living room. So here what we see here is a um, is our invisible bed, wherein when during the night it becomes a bedroom, and during the daytime it's going to convert into a comfortable home office, so that you can work comfortably without having the awkwardness of having a bed stare at you all day long. So watch how this bedroom, this space transform into a home office within seconds. Now we have two desks here, and two adults can easily use this space. Just look at how much space we got back by just folding the bed up. And here we have two desks. So this is a folding desk that you can sit and work all day long. But when you get tired of sitting, you can also stand and work. This is one option you have, wherein you have two positions. One is this is a standing position, and this is a sitting position. And this is a hydraulic based sit stand table, wherein easily you can um, lift the table at whatever position you want. You can go up to this height. So you have a space saving table, wall mounted table, that you can sit and work, stand and work. And after you're done with all that, it easily folds down and it occupies zero floor space. This is like the first time in the country that we have this kind of a table, wherein we have a folding desk that also is a sit stand desk. So you can add a couch in your guest bedroom, so you can have your TV in front of you and you can watch shows all day long, because we all know that sitting on the bed and watching TV is very uncomfortable. So you can add a sofa on this in the guest bedroom to have, make that as a media room or a gaming room, anything you want. So if you are looking to furnish your guest bedroom, think twice before going for a traditional cot, because our beds are easily comparable to a traditional bed. Whatever uh, traditional beds endure, our beds also can endure. It is very safe to use. You can use it like a traditional bed, and it comes with a 10-year warranty. So we tell our customers every day that, just because a bed folds, you don't have to fold the bed every day. You can use it like a traditional bed. You can put it on the floor 24/7 without without having to fold the bed every time you wake up. But if you need space, you have an option to fold the bed whenever you have more guests, or you want to do yoga, or you want to have a home office setup. So quickly you can just fold the bed and you will have the entire room open up for you. So think twice before you furnish your guest bedroom with a traditional bed, because that space is gone forever. You cannot reclaim that space at any time, right? So that traditional bed, you can't move it, or you can't do anything with that. That space is not yours. You are think about it, right? You are using that bed for only 8 to 9 hours while sleeping in the night, right? The rest 16 hours, you're not using that space at all. So that space can be easily reclaimed with invisible bed. So why do you need uh, something that you barely use to occupy your apartment floor space, precious floor space, when you can be doing more in that space, right? So think twice before going for a traditional bed, because you are not going to get that space back again. That is going to be gone forever. So do visit us. If you have any questions on safety, if you have any questions on pricing, we do customization, we do any sizes you want, you do any finish you want. Our designers are there to help you to transform your guest bedroom into a multifunctional space. Do visit us, give us a chance, visit our experience center, check out the quality, and then you take a decision. Before that, do not make a decision. We are not that, we have competitive prices as compared to what traditional furniture. So do visit us, check out the quality of our products, check out how easy is it to lift and how easy is it to, open the bed. You can even jump on the bed if you want to test the strength of the bed. So we can do all that once you visit us. Or you can't visit us, we can even give you a video tour of the entire showroom. Once we have answered all your questions, then you can take a decision. So bottom line is, don't think twice before you furnish your guest bedroom. Thank you so much for watching.